What's going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bringing you guys another video. We have a ton of shit to open up right now. I am so excited. It is like Christmas right now. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. Hopefully I can get out individual videos for each of these items, showcasing it off a little bit better. Since we have so much stuff, I'm just gonna be kind of cranking through the unboxing, the pickup video. First things first, I'm gonna show you guys what I already did open up. Reason being why I did open this up is that this is from Supreme, okay? And they slashed the bag. They slashed the poly bag as well. And if you guys can see, the hoodie is fine, we're good. I was pretty worried when this came, but we got the trademark hoodie in black. This is actually fire. Once this came in, I was kind of iffy on it just because it's so basic, and I have a lot of Supreme hoodies, so I was like, I don't know if I really need this. But now that I have this in person, this is definitely going to be in the collection. So there's the first item there. I did get the payphone tee in black, as you guys can see. Boom. Extras, you do have, boom, sticker pack right there. Oh shit, yep, your boy did mess up. He finessed the fucking medium when he needs a large. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the boxes now. First off here, this is something that I've been pretty excited to see. Damn, this is actually way sick. So right here, as you guys can see, we do have the Kaws passing through in the brown colorway. This is actually way dope. Moving on, ooh, don't even need scissors. Moving on to the next two boxes, we do have some pickups from sneakers and stuff. I'm pretty excited to see how these came out. We'll take this one first out, along with the receipt. Boom. Toss this aside. So, as you guys can see, we do have two pairs of NMDs. Like I said, these are from sneakers and stuff. Holy shit. These look way different in person. Holy shit. These are bright as hell. Wow. So there's the first pair right there, as you guys can see. Hopefully the camera is doing it justice. But yeah, man, I was not expecting this shoe to be this popping. It's kind of a crazy blend, like this maroon color mixed with kind of like neon yellow in a way, and like jade green. You have black. But yeah, this is the Datamosh 2.0s, the pack, I guess. Oh, what the hell? I didn't even know there was pink on this shit. What the hell? What the hell? What? I didn't even know there was pink on this. They're still hella dope, but not the colors I was expecting. Yeah, I'm speechless. Like, this is kind of funny. Next package up, we do have one here from Unisport Life. First time actually ordering from them, straight from the UK to the US. So, as you guys can see, we do have a Jordan box right here, Jordan 5 box. Box is in decent condition from the UK. I mean, sometimes it's worse, you can't really complain. Boom. We've got the PSG Air Jordan 5 right here. Show you guys that. Boom. These are way clean, honestly. Like, they do look a lot like the metallic 5s, the black metallic 5s. I definitely feel they could have done a lot more with this, but overall, pretty clean shoe. If you guys haven't seen the Friends and Family pair, the sample pair, I believe it's like all white. That one's freaking fire. Just because there's nothing else like it. This is exactly like the black metallic 5s. But yeah, overall, dope shoe. Ooh, this is one that I'm really excited about. Yeah, unfortunately, I was not able to pick up my pair, and you know, your boy gotta eat. So, you know, man's gotta eat. So I just picked up whatever I could get. Small ass Nike SB box, as you can see. That is, I believe, because of the size. So we did pick up a size 5 in these. But like I said, I honestly wanted my own size, but they didn't even have a 9.5 on their website when I picked these up. It was on Tactics. Yeah, let's take a look here. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a pretty big SB Dunk fan. I do have a few. I've sold off a ton of them, but it's kind of crazy because Nike hasn't really been putting out any good Nike SB Dunks. But this right here, holy shit. Wow. Like, look at that. All gold shoe. You got, I mean, look, it has a bow tie on that shit. Bow tie. Okay. Inside, you do have kind of like a velvety purple liner. And then on the outsole, you got some notes on there. So there's those. Two more left. I love how end double bags, boxes, I guess. Well, double protection, you know. When you're bitch crazy, you know, you wear the 2 condoms. Boom. What do we have here? We've got the acronyms. Won this in their freaking raffle. Woo! And the Volt colorway. Unfortunately, I picked up the Volt and the black, and I struck out on the pink. That was, of course, the most hyped one. That one was the one that I did want, just because, I mean, you don't really have many pink shoes. You do have a lot of white and black shoes. Volt's pretty common in Nike, so I don't know. That was just something that's different. But nonetheless, these things are freaking fire. So check those out. Boom. 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 I love the zips on the side right here. Way dope. Last but not least, one more package left from Barney's, New York. And here we go. You guys already know. And my box is hella fucked up. What the hell? The glue came off and shit. Them bastards. So these restocked. I picked up 2 pairs. I sold off 1 already. But again, it's so crazy how easy it is to pick up Adidas shoes. And it's like, I don't know, it's insane. It kind of sucks. I'm gonna be honest, it sucks. Like, it sucks when these were limited and you weren't able to get a pair. But then when every single person can, it just kind of, it ruins the shoe game, honestly. But I do like these a lot, so that's why I did pick up 2. I'm gonna keep 1. First release, I did pick up 2 pairs as well, and then I sold them off. Because, you know, your boy gotta eat, and he's a greedy bastard, you know? Man's gotta eat. I'm actually happy that they did restock these because I did miss out basically since I sold my pair. So these are for sure going in the collection. I still have my Blushes DS, so you know, the dad shoes gotta come out sometime. Just in case, if you guys want to see the full silhouette of the shoe, here it is. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video. This was the last thing. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, thumbs up this video, comment down below what you guys think about my pickups. What was your favorite item? I know there was a ton of stuff, so if you guys could, let me know down in comments below, and let me know what you guys picked up, because these past couple of weeks have been pretty hectic on pickups. Like, it feels like it's December. December is when it gets extremely crazy on releases, things like that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm gonna try and post individual videos for each of these items as best as I can, so be on the lookout for that. This is Jason Tang TV. I'm out, you guys. Peace. I just wanted to show you guys the aftermath of this unboxing video. Like, we are freaking, look at this. Tornado came through. Like, what the hell?